So I wanted to give y'all a close-up of this heat gun. In the upcoming video, you'll see I am out in the field repairing a lawnmower, and I don't really give you a chance to get up and close to the heat gun. And I wanted to go over some features. So this is how it looks out the box. Only got really one use on it. It is a M18, so it uses the big battery. It has a lock right here and then the trigger. So as you can see, you can't press the trigger until you unlock with your thumb and then hit the trigger. So the good part about that is if you have your battery in and you put this in your bag, it don't accidentally turn on and melts everything and catches a fire. But you can see, depending if you're left-handed or right-handed, it does have the lock on both sides. And it is kind of annoying, but I'd rather have this than melt everything. But thumb down, trigger. It does have a LED here, and we do have a hanger. Other than that, it is really basic. I like it for melting heat shrink and getting into some spots. I wish it kind of had some attachments. My corded heat gun has different attachments, but really I'll tell you the volume of air this heat gun pushes out isn't a whole lot. So that's really, I don't know if the attachments would do much because it ain't got enough airflow for the attachments to redirect, if that makes sense. So it's kind of low volume with enough heat to glow the coals red. It did work for heat shrink. If you're just wanting to use it to melt something like, I don't know, if I say you had like this hard tubing or whatever and you want to heat it up just to make it more pliable, I don't know if it would do something like that efficiency. But for heat shrink and doing like car wiring and stuff like that, this is amazing. I highly recommend it, and I do approve. So I'll let the video begin and you can see what I did in the field. And we're doing this live in the field. Have my son out here cutting grass, but we need the heat gun to melt some heat shrink on this lawnmower. So I'm gonna need 2 hands. So this is our first heat shrink. We already got everything spliced together real good. Make sure we line that really well. It does have a lock on it. You have to push down the lock and it activates. Oh yeah, well, I was worried that it wasn't getting very hot or it wouldn't get hot very fast, but that's actually perfect because it's getting just hot enough where I don't feel like I'm gonna melt the wire. And it did it for what I want it to do. Melted that one. So I kinda got off on it. So let's, off-centered. I would like that a little bit more in the middle. So let's see if we can't do a little bit better on that. Oh yeah, we did better on that one. Okay, so overall, I'm really happy. You can see it has a hanger here, so that's kind of nifty. So this is just the M18 heat gun. I mean, I can see it's glowing red. I'm not going to face it towards the camera and melt it. Do we have an LED? And we got an LED on the front, so that's kind of nice. But live in the field, first use, I'm happy. I think I was able to get it on sale for $149, and now it's keeps me more mobile and be able to help out friends with issues like this. So good tool, happy to have it part of my inventory. And if you made it to this part of the video, I really do appreciate y'all. I hope that helps somebody. It is a good buy. I do recommend this for any mechanic out in the field who does any electrical work. And if you're not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. Please like or dislike the video, depending on how you felt about it, and leave me a comment and tell me how I can make some things better. I appreciate y'all. On to the next one.